Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. We're really excited today to show you this pre-owned 2023 Kia K5 EX all-wheel drive. The K5 just has a look about it. I mean, they did such a great job with the design of this vehicle. It's sleek, it's got a ton of features, it's got a great engine, and I mean, look at this beautiful stealth gray. We're going to take you on a tour of all the features and the condition of this K5 so you can have a great look at it from the comfort of your own home. Now, underneath the hood, we have a 1.6 liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. It's connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and you have 180 horsepower and 195 foot-pounds of torque. So it's got a ton of power under your foot. Best of all, it is also all-wheel drive. So for your Ontario climate, when it snows for sometimes what feels like 6 months out of the year, this is a 4-season sedan. I mean, have a look at the side profile. I love the raked roof, how from the back doors all the way to the rear of the trunk, it just looks like it slopes down. So beautiful. Now, the EX will give you these 19-inch alloy wheels, great Pirelli rubber on here as well. We have LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. And then taking a step back again as we walk towards the rear, you can really see the dramatic roof line as it comes down towards the trunk. The taillights on the K5 are great. They come right across the back of the trunk lid. You can see the nice K5 badge there on the bottom left, and then a really nice looking rear diffuser on the bottom. Dealer plate on the back, because that's what we want to drive here. Our manager is driving this because it's that nice of a vehicle. And then in the back, you can see all of the trunk space, tons of room back here for all of your IKEA, Costco trips, and kids sporting events. Around to the passenger side, so you can see all 4 corners of this. You're probably watching this video considering this for your next new car, and you've made a great choice. The K5 will definitely exceed your expectations, especially the drive. Make sure you hurry here to come and take this out for a test drive. It's fantastic. Love the headlights on the K5, the LED lights, that nice LED amber light as well. Lots of piano black and a really sporty front end, as you can see here. And I mean, have a look at the metallic flake in the paint. It is gorgeous. All right, let's go take a look inside. We're going to start off with the back seats. So opening up the door, lots of room in here for adult passengers. Maybe you got teenagers, things like that. There's plenty of room. Almost bucket-like seats in the back, leather interior, a big center armrest that folds down. All right, and then we've got 2 USB ports in the back as well, so they can stay plugged in and charged up, and nobody has to fight about sharing charging cords. In the front, you can see we have this nice big sunroof up top, absolutely massive. These great leather seats. These are heated seats up front. And then we have a power driver's seat with power lumbar support. And then hopping in. All right, so have a look around at the cabin of the K5. Love the use of this kind of matte wood grain finish. I don't love the wood grain when it's glossy, but when it's matte like this, it's really, really nice. And then our infotainment system up here to our steering wheel. Now, safety features in the K5 include forward emergency braking with pedestrian detection. We have lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot warning with blind spot steering assist, and the rear cross traffic alert with rear braking assist. So all of the assist features means that not only do you get a warning, but the K5 will actively try to avoid those situations, if you will, if you encounter them. In other words, if you go to make a lane change and there's a car that just comes screaming up the side, you didn't see it, the steering wheel will actually adjust back over to the right to keep you in your lane so you don't go into that traffic. Really, really great stuff. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel, our radio controls, Bluetooth controls, our adaptive cruise control on the wheel as well. I guess that's a safety feature too. And then right here in our driver's gauge is 42,159 kilometers. Great mileage for the year on this K5. Now, our infotainment system here features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, great radio system as well. And then you can see when you put it into reverse, our rear view camera is there. And then moving down from that, we have dual zone climate control, so independent temperatures for the front driver and passenger. And then we've got a couple of USB ports down here to stay plugged in and charged up for the front driver and passenger. Our electronic parking brake with auto hold, that's a great feature, especially if you're in if you're stuck in stop and go traffic. That's a lifesaver. I mean, it's so fantastic. Basically with the auto hold on, you can take your foot off the brake once you're at a complete stop, and it will hold you there till you push the gas. It's really nice. Here's our heated seats, heated steering wheel, and then the drive mode. So when we give this a twist, you can see there's several different modes to choose from: smart, normal, sport, custom, and snow. All right, so a lot of options with the K5 to choose your own adventure. So choose wisely. I love sport mode though, because I mean, it is a really fun car to drive. And we also have a wireless charging pad right down here. Now, connected to the push button start, we have a remote start. You can see it right there on the key fob. That's the button for your remote starter there. So the climate control will get active and get warmed up or cooled off depending on the climate outside. Here's the Carfax, 1 owner, no reported accidents. That's exactly what you want to see on your Carfax. Make sure you ask for that no matter where you're purchasing a vehicle. Make sure it's up to date as well. But the next thing you should be doing is book your test drive in this Kia K5 EX. It is a fantastic all-wheel drive sedan. You're going to absolutely love this. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you at Clarington Kia.